my channel. Let's get to the topic. So today we are exploring playing with some numpy module. Numpy. Let's first import numpy as numpy. Okay. First we are creating a numpy array that is one dimension. Okay. So here we are setting a is equal to np dot array. Okay. And 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now let's we will print a what is that print. So you can see here it is print as it is. Okay, or so you can also print like a dot shape. Okay, let's run. And the shape is of 1 2 3 4 5. If we add 6, then it will become 6. Okay, so we will run and you can see here that it is, and there is another print a. What is data type? Let's see what is this data type. This is integer preview. If we add float. Okay, now we will run. What happened that it will go float 65 despite only one letter is 2.5, but that is giving all the other is. So now we can access separately. So if you want to access separately, okay, let's want to print in what is the index 2. Remember that this is on index 2. Index 2 is 3.0. Okay, that will go. Okay, now we will print that it will go 3. So I hope you are with me. Let's comment it and move to our create creating a numpy array of 2D. Here we will difficult to b is equal to np dot array. Okay, there is array. Sorry, sorry. So we is equal to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is to array. I will show you if we less in this and index 0 is more, then it will show an error. I will run after creating that. So here I want to print me. Let's run our program. Yes, this is 2D array. That was 1D and this is 2D. So if we add suppose here 7, then what happened? It's definitely throw error. You can see it will be equal. Okay, let's okay, now you can print b dot shape. What is this shape? If we run, it will print two rows and 6 column. You can see this is 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the array. Okay, now we will what is this data type? This is integer data data type. Okay, now we want to access what is in b1 and 2. Let's see, run. uh, this is thing you can see here 9. Okay, now if we want uh, more complicated, so here you can write 0 comma 0. Okay, sorry, by not now. 0, comma 0. Okay. Now you can again comma. Okay. What is it? Yes, this is 0, comma 5. Okay, that will be too complicated. That simplified by doing this. Okay, we want to just print this. Okay, this is what is in this 0. So this whole one is 0. This is 0. Okay, or this one just is 1. Okay, now you want to access in what is B inside B, index 0. This is 0. What in 0? Inside this is old is 0, and what is this is 0. Okay, now this will definitely print 1. Okay, now you are inside B, and in 0 index, this is the same 0 index. What is 1? So a 1 is here. What you can see is here. So let x is index 1. Okay, and we want to print 0. We will switch this. Okay, and we will switch this also. So then it should return. You can say index 1. This is 0 and 1. Index 1. Now this is 0. In index 1, 0 is 7, and 2 and 2 is 1, 2. So it will probably return 9. Let's run 7 and 9, it will return. So you can see here, it's 7, 9. I think your concept should be clear. Please comment if you have any query regarding this. Okay, let's 3D array. Let's try to create 3D array. Okay. Uh, okay. Create an numpy array 3D. Okay. Let's say here is suppose a is equal to, this is okay. How much? 6, 6.